Okay, guys and girls, I'm going to shoot a quick video of this 1983 K10 four-wheel drive short bed. Had a body off roughly 9 years ago. It runs and drives great. I drove it over an hour home. I've driven it a couple times. It steers great, it drives great, stops great. So does the K5. We've been driving that, and that's what we're going to continue to drive the most because it doesn't have a top. My wife likes the convertible stuff. Anyways, I'm gonna say this again because people have argued with me who were standing a foot away from the truck that the truck is black. It looks black. It looks black a foot away. If you're in the clouds, you can stick your face on it. It looks black. But the truck is a deep emerald green. And the only time you can really tell is in the actual sun. Like I said, there's nothing green about it. It looks black all the time. The truck, like I said, it runs and drives great. Most everything was replaced at the time. You can see in there new U-joints, new shocks, new leaf springs, new exhaust. It's got an Alpine head unit in it. The AC probably needs a new compressor. It used to work. There's no belt on it. I'm gonna assume that it needs a new compressor. The truck is straight. The truck is clean. It is not perfect. Nothing on this planet is perfect. And if you think your car's perfect, I'll come over and tell you and show you the stuff that's not, because everything has flaws. But this truck is very nicely done. You wouldn't be embarrassed to take it to any car cruises or shows. And it drives amazing. And it is lizard skin lined, but that rubber mat is on top of it. So you can take the rubber mat out if you don't like the rubber mat. Anyway, just a super cool example. I may put a stock grill in it if I get a spare minute. I'm not sure. Some people like those. I sell every one I take out. I sell to somebody, so people still like them. I may put a stock grill back in it. I'm not sure, but there you go. Walk around video. Oh, I'll start it up. Walk around video. 1983 K10 4x4. Hold on here. I just sat in traffic on my way home. Was rushing home to get the video before dark and the pictures, but there you go. 1983 K10 4x4. Too many new parts to list individually, and most everything was replaced at the time it was redone. So there you go.